deeper and the gray sky. Heavy clouds are dragging lower than the spirit's eye. I'm walking where the gutters overflow with broken glass, waiting for the final shadow of the storm to pass. Every step is measured by the tolling of a bell, caught inside the shifting borders of a private hell. My boots are heavy with the mud of every road turn made, standing in the deluge where the debts are finally paid. The lightning splits the canopy and shows the jagged truth. I've wasted every single ounce of my remaining youth. No use in seeking shelter when the roof has fallen in. Just a steady drumming of the water on my skin. Shoot myself in the pouring rain to take the pain away. Let the flood wash out the colors of a bitter day. Pull the trigger on the ghost that haunt the hollow street. Lay my heavy burden down beneath the thunder's beat. Let the river rise until it swallows up the sound, finding peace at last upon this something sodden ground. Shoot myself in pouring rain to take the pain away. Throw the keys into the dark and let the engine sway. The liquid curtain falling down to hide the messy end. Broken bones and jagged hearts are far too late to mend. Only when the clouds burst can the fire finally die. Underneath the weeping of a vast and lonely sky, the calendar is bleeding out its numbers on the floor. I don't recognize the person knocking at the door. Is it mercy or the cold that makes my fingers shake? How much more of this collision can a body take? The static on the radio is all I have to hear, as the finish line is drawing suffocatingly near. The sidewalk is a mirror, reflecting back the gloom. Every single raindrop is a brick inside the tomb. I see the faces of the people that I used to know, dissolving in the currents where the dirty waters flow. I'm leaning on the rain of the bridge above the tracks, looking for a way to stop the knives inside my back. Look myself in the pouring, looking to take the pain away. Let the flood wash out the colors of a bitter day. Pull the trigger on the ghost that haunt the hollow streets. Lay my heavy burden down beneath the thunder's beat. When the clouds burst, can the fire finally die? Underneath the weeping of a vast and lonely sky, soon the pouring rain into to take the pain away. They throw the keys into the dark and let the engine sway. The liquid curtain falling down to hide the messy